Welcome back to Hyly Tutorials. In this lesson, I'll be going over the email editor on your my.hyly account and walk you through the elements that make up the application. You'll learn what kinds of tools the editor has, their locations on the page, and how they'll be utilized when you start creating your email templates. There are two ways that you can get to the email editor. The first way is to go to My Templates and create a new email by hovering over a template and clicking its New Email button. Before actually going to the email editor page, you'll be on the email creation page. The email creation page allows you to change the template that you'll be using for your new email campaign and is also where you'll name it. Once you've clicked the Create Campaign button, you'll be redirected to the email editor. The second way is to hover over an email that you've already made and click on Design, the command located at the top. Email Editor is where you'll be customizing your various emails and templates. There are a lot of elements that make up the email editor, but after this overview, you'll know where everything is and how it works. The email navigation bar has 5 steps that will guide you through the creation process of your email, as well as the process of getting it ready to be sent out. There are additional options for displaying and exporting your email as well. Email Body, the step that we're on now, is where you develop the content of your email. Email Header is where you enter the subject of your email and where it's coming from. Send a Test is where you can check your email's design and its functionality by sending a test copy based on the information of a lead or prospect. Send Groups is where you choose which of your various leads and/or prospects are going to receive your email. Schedule is where you can choose to deliver your email immediately or specify a later date and time for it to be sent out. To the right of the email steps, there's a button labeled Author, called the Mode button. Clicking on this will allow you to switch between Author and Design mode. We'll explore these two modes in a later tutorial. The little square button to the right of the Mode button are where you can find extra options for your email. If you click on this button and expand its tab, you can choose from the following commands. Client Preview, which will allow yourself and others who may not have a my.hyly account to view what the email will look like when it's delivered. Save as Template, which will save your email as a my.hyly template. Export Template, which will export the email to your desktop. And finally, Convert to Raw HTML, which will convert the visual design and structure of your email into HTML code. That's the gist of what's on the email navigation bar. Let's move on to the main area of the page by looking at the editor and how it works. Located on the left side of this page, the editor is where you'll be developing the content of your email. You can edit the email's content by clicking on the drop-down panel that's currently labeled Header. This is where your email slices are located. Selecting a slice option, like Splash, will take you to that specific part of the email, as indicated by the change in the name under the drop-down. You'll also see the various sections under that slice, which sections are visible and which ones aren't. The visibility of a section is indicated by the eye icon on the right. If a section's name is grayed out, that means it's not showing on the email template. Click a section to expand its fields. These fields contain the content of your email and can be text, images, or URLs. Editor options are found above the email slices area. This is where you can save or discard any changes that you've made to your email, check the email's final design before moving on to sending it out, or refresh its preview screen. As you customize the content of your email, the preview area, located on the right side of the screen, will show you how the splash image looks, how long the text is, and how everything is spaced out on the email. This screen will update whenever you click the Save Changes button under Editor Options, so be sure to save often and check. Alright, that covers what you need to know about the email editor. Make sure that you join us for our next lesson, and we hope to see you again soon.